My absolute first GM job, running restaurants, a couple months into the job, Valentine's Day night, it's going to be absolute mayhem, and we knew it. In the area where our restaurant was, massive power outage in the whole area. So all the houses, everybody, all the other restaurants were out of power. We had just sat our final reservations for the night, and lo and behold, all these people come in. Luckily, because it was Valentine's Day, we had tons of candles all through the restaurant, so we could still provide seating and get everybody in there. But we ended up being way busier than we thought we were going to be that night. It was crazy.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
On Valentine's, again, another weather issue. On Valentine's Day, I'm working in Austin, Texas. I'm working at a Tex-Mex restaurant. It's towards the end of the night, and lo and behold, we start getting a snowstorm, which doesn't happen very often there. And where we were located, right across the street from this big park. And the snow starts falling, it keeps falling. Finally, there's a little bit of accumulation. The entire bar, staff, guests, management, everybody all run out into this field and have a 35, 40 person snowball fight right in the middle of the night. And it went on for 10, 15 minutes, and then everybody made their way back to the bar. People paid out, people kept drinking, didn't lose any business, and it was really fun, really memorable.
Sounds awesome.